Look around. The ground at Pachanadi is about to get louder. Not with traffic, not with speakers, but with bird song. Today, we start with shovels and saplings, fruit trees, mango, jamun, jackfruit trees that feed us and feed other living species. Why fruit trees? Because a fruit tree is a home and a kitchen in one. It feeds a child, it feeds a squirrel, it feeds a bird. And then it pays us back with shade, with fruit, and air that feels cleaner. We grew up hearing koels in the early mornings, the sparrows, the parakeets cutting across the sky, bulbuls arguing in the bushes. In Mangalore, those sounds were our background music. Somewhere along the music got quiet. Today, we changed that. We are not just planting trees, we are mailing out invitations to birds to come back, to rest here, to sing here, to stay. So, if you've got gloves, wear them. If you've got kids, bring them to the pit. Let them pat the soil down. In 5 years, they will be eating fruit from the tree they planted today. The birds would be delighted today too. And if they could speak to all of us, they would say thank you to all the people who have collaborated with us, all the sponsors, and all the well wishers. This is how we get Mangalore green again. This is how we get the bird song back. Let's dig in, NSS students, with Mr. Jeet Roch and the Vana Trust. And we have started this initiative like 3 months back. Mrs. Rekha Shetty, Zonal Commissioner, Mr. Paul and me, we had a sit down at her office, and I told them that we need to get the birds back into Mangalore by growing fruit trees, because everywhere I went around, there were only trees and I saw the birds without food. So we thought, what better way to have 3 initiatives together, like, food, shade, shelter, and to get the birds back. I welcome Mrs. Rekha Shetty, Zonal Commissioner, Mangalore Zone 3, who's been an ardent supporter and a dynamic leader. Welcome to our Rotary Midtown President, Mrs. Sushma, and the Rotary members. We are honored to welcome Mrs. Rekha Shetty, Zonal Commissioner, Mangalore City Corporation, an experienced municipal administrator who has served as Commissioner in Ullal and Puttur. Mrs. Shetty is recognized for her work in civic enforcement, public health initiatives, and streamlining urban governance in Dakshina Kannada. She currently oversees zonal operations for MCC and has led drives like Operation Tiger to ensure cleaner, safer public spaces. Thank you, Mrs. Rekha Shetty, without you, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being our ardent. And thank you, Mrs. Sushma. We thank you for sponsoring us today. And I have been a founder Rotary Sunrise member, and Rotary Midtown had sponsored us. So a big circle, and I'm back here again with Rotary Midtown. So I'm happy that you have taken this community initiative. I also thank all my coordinators. Without my coordinators, we wouldn't do this. And we are the lady team. We have Mrs. Vinita Rai, Mrs. Tina Pereira there. She has hurt her leg, so she cannot walk. We have Mrs. Akshita Shetty, who is also a sponsor today for the fruit tree. She isn't here today. And we have Miss Karen Dias, who is our social media partner. So, and I have my family members. We have the president from the Eco Commission in Bendur, Rotary Midtown people, and we have Mr. Paul there with the Global TV, who has always supported us. And we've had different sponsors from everywhere. Thank you so much.